In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you some of the wonderful digital resources you have access to with your Ada Community Library card. To access these resources, simply visit adalib.org. That's adalib.org. Once you go to adalib.org, you'll simply click on the branch that is nearest to you or the one that you visit the most often. In this case, I'm going to click on the Hidden Springs location. So here we are on the main website, and today I'm going to show you a wonderful resource called Kanopy. So if you just hover your cursor over Stream and Download here in the center, and then over here you'll see Film. So we're just going to click on Film. All right, and here's Kanopy. Now Kanopy is a streaming service you have access to with your library card through Ada Community Library, and it has thousands of films, documentaries, TV shows, etc. So we're just going to click on Kanopy. Here it brings you to Kanopy's website, and to log in, all you're going to do is click Add Library Card right here. So you're just going to type in your library card number, and then you're going to click Continue. So after you've entered in your library card number, it'll bring you to this page, and you can create an account. So you'll just enter your first and last name, your email address, and then you'll just create a password, something that you remember, and then you'll just click Sign Up. So after you've created an account, it'll bring you here to Kanopy's main website, and you'll see all of the movies, documentaries, and TV shows you now have access to. Up in the corner here, you'll see the number 10, and those are the number of play credits you have. Everyone gets 10 play credits a month, and every time you click on a movie or a TV show and you watch it, it gets rid of one of your play credits. So that's how many you have every month. The only exception to this is Kanopy Kids. So if you click on Kanopy Kids right here, it'll show you all of the awesome movies, TV shows that you have available for kids. Reading Rainbow, Berenstain Bears, Sid the Science Kid, all those things. So these don't require any play credits to play, so you can stream as many of these as you want. But now if we want to exit Kanopy Kids, we'll just click up here, exit Kanopy Kids, and we'll go back to the regular Kanopy website. One of the great things you have access to through Kanopy is thousands of the Great Courses, which are a series of expertly produced college-level video courses on topics like history, science, health, etc. So to find the Great Courses on Kanopy, you'll just go and type into the search box here, the Great Courses. And then you'll just go here where it's where you can narrow down your search terms, video subjects, people, companies, and click on companies. And then you'll click on right here, the Great Courses, because that's the company that produces them. And then you'll be taken here where you'll see there's over 7,000 of the Great Courses. And you've got everything from cooking to history, ancient Egypt, the Renaissance, to hobbies, screenwriting, music, literature, mythologies of the world, how to learning languages or learning about physics or algebra. You've also got things like health here with yoga and stress in your body. There's also a ton of skills ones that teach you things like investing or public speaking. There are thousands of these, and you have access to them all with your Ada Community Library card. And what's also great about Kanopy is that you can download the app onto all of your devices. That way you can stream Kanopy anytime and anywhere. So you can watch Kanopy on your computer through your browser, like I'm doing, or you can download the app onto your smart TV. And you can also download the app onto your phone, tablet, or mobile device, which is great. Now, if you wanted to watch Kanopy on your smart TV, you just go and search Kanopy into the App Store, download Kanopy, and then you'll just log in with your email address and the password you already created. It's just best to create your account first, probably through your phone or your one of your devices, like your desktop, because it's easier to create an account there and then log in through the app on your TV. But maybe you don't have a smart TV. Well, what's great about Ada Community Library is we have Rokus available for checkout, and you can check them out, hook them up to your TV, and Kanopy is pre-installed on those. And to check out one of our Rokus, you'll just go to adalib.org again. And you'll just hover over Checkout here in the center, and you'll click on Gear Collection right here. And then you'll see all the different gear collections we have available, and you're just going to click on Tech right over here. If you scroll down, you'll see all the tech we have available for checkout, including mobile hotspots and karaoke systems. But here you'll see the Roku right here. So if you click on it, you'll see the Rokus we have available. And there's two different ones we have. One has Disney Plus, Vudu, and Netflix, and the other one just has Netflix on it. But both of these have Kanopy installed. So you can just place a request on either one of them and have them sent to whatever library you'd like in the Treasure Valley to pick up. And then you can connect, log into your Kanopy account through the Roku and start streaming. Just remember to log out of your Kanopy account before you return the Roku device. And that is just another great resource you have available to you through your Ada Community Library card. You have access to thousands upon thousands of movies, TV shows, and documentaries, etc. So start streaming.